It's Esplez, aka Scott, coming to you live from my house. Haven't done a video in a while. My dog's watching. It's a two-part video. First part, I opened the packages. I got a Mailday from thetruth17. He wrote Esplez. I didn't join this break. I bought a team off someone. I bought the Wolves. It was a lot less than what the break was. Love, they have Wesley Johnson. We got a Christian Leitner base. Top orders, best up. And a nice, I actually like this kid. He's starting to produce. Darko, manufactured. Patch auto. Number to 149, so that's for sale. I was looking for Love. And then from adamjaiello, I got 2-card Mailday. He gave me a good deal. I'm looking to sell one of them because I don't really like this one, but I love the player. He's my favorite player. Eli Manning at the UD draft, number 10 auto. So if you want that, that one's for sale. And then the other one is at a Bowman Sterling, the green auto, number 10. That one I'm going to keep for the PC. If you have any Eli's, let me know. If you want this Eli, let me know. And that's the Mailday now. The hottest product in basketball right now. Picked up a nice box and let's bust into it. Looking for the shirt or green. If you don't get one of those, you're screwed. Or an HRX. Checklist. 6 packs. Let's bust into it. This one looks really fat. Oh, it's just a jersey. I don't know. Dirk. I got the jersey of Chris Bosh. That's out of 249 of Baron Davis. Red. Duncan. D. Wade. Second pack. It's like another red jersey. Ben Gordon, and then Grant Hill. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Red of we got a gold. Mellow. There it is. Boom. There it is. The gold is mellow. So these are starting to sell pretty well. I know LeBron James sold for 120. Let's go. That's a pretty nice hit. That was green. That's like 300-400. Wow, this is a rookie. You know who we're looking for in the rookie. Thaddeus, and then it's not Do Me a Favors. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Favors out of 499. These don't sell that well, but it's not bad. Favors and a J Kid blue. I'll live. 3 packs left. Got probably a red jersey. Gasol. Looks like OJ. Or it is. Tyson red. There's a lot of nicks in this box. 2 packs. This one feels really fat. It's a brick. I think it's a fake out, I think. Maybe it's a thin out of the redemption. Steph. Got a red of Anthony Morrow. And then rookie red auto 169. Wes Johnson. Whatever will live. It's a red rookie though, so it's not like the regular one, so it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And the last pack. Looks like a red jersey. There's 2 blues in here. Oh, it's not bad. LeBron blue. B-Roy blue. And the jersey was Gibson, but I just dropped the LeBron blue. Nothing. Oh, the corner just dinged. Actually, no, that was the B-Rod corner. But we'll live. Alright, so thanks for watching. Peace.